Good morning, country people. Them anyhow way day we get for talk as when I say self, when I get for shidon for year. For Cameroon, I say I get for Siam so that me mop is a bit talk. Say we fix that camera no. I know that camera no they good. Why you say we leave the thing? Yes. So we get for talk thing where I don't see because camera be come up for LTM for go for place where they call and say for lycée et Tokebe where they call and for English say government bilingual high school. Student them be Chris yesterday. Whether now wait it provoke this speaking them me and no sabi. Principal they talk it on. Student they talk it on. SDO talk it on. Governor talk it on. Parents and talk their on. Finally, 5 people they don't talk. We don't know whether they so waiting it don't really happen. Mommy then today talk say they so now them they pay their school fees. Yes, say they pay school fees for Pekin. Say no need no day for principal or discipline master for lock gate. Now so papa, mommy and papa they talk. Say if they like and Pekin and come for 12 midnight, we get there upon the also enter. Now Pekin the loss. I say that one another day. Principal say there's a law for inside country. The talk say 7 o'clock get for be lock. We all never see him and for talk him as we see him. We go talk that one and then after we go see if Francois the see him, the put him. We go see time where governor for Central Region he become for place where they call him government bilingual high school for Etokebe. When we finish now, we go see now how the student them they don't scatter all the classroom them for inside the school. And that's also for inside the classroom where they go come shidon. Broke bench, scatter book them, move the way na iron. I ask them whether the student will get na iron hand, man of it talk. Some people that they send them for social media say plenty picking they don't die and plenty they don't get caught. Me say where be day. I be chase principal and the governor and the SDO they go carry camera them go with me go visit people then where they don't get caught. No man in never carry we go there. Sometimes a minister will carry we go there, man, you know. At the turn I think with my eyes see him. We will yet talk where the governor go talk. After we could see time where governor for Central Region, Nasiri, Paul Bia, Ebiri go. When we finish now, we talk accident for site for Manfred Road again. Every day for accident they happen, person must die. Every day. And when man, you people, them don't talk say me government for Cameroon, it tar the road, they don't tar them now. The road, it don't turn back, they kill the population for that side. We could turn back for side for Fumbot for see how the population for Fumbot, they don't cease grandstand, transform them for market. Whether now who they control the market, oh, man, it don't know. But grandstand for Fumbot, it don't turn now market and will not be normal. That means that they not respect green, red, yellow, with 1 star for middle. So for side for Fumban, we be go meet up some countryman. Where they gonna say Mr. Thomas. Thomas, it means say you get for see before we believe. Where this countryman, he say this so he don't help people for country. For this ye work, where Sabi make am the demand that. Where in the fix this thing where you want be your house, you go put them for the house, a change face for house, make your house it look good. And it also there's so any picking we don't run gone for northwest and southwest. We're not getting for the doam. Me can learn this work for free charge. Free of charge for Joe. So this man he said so we don't work for Kankan place. And now this thing they make him it help your family, help some picking them for country. We will last year thing we go talk. So nothing that way sabi a doam for any living. We go turn back again for chapter for the first and for Dongam and division where they will get the ESCO meeting for inside that side for Fumbot. So they will go for they will go meet up the number 1 for West Region winner hour from Kagostin. After they go meet up the fund for site for Fumban. And then they talk plenty to them before they go she don't make their meeting for see how they go bring peace for their land. So fund Jufo Maurice the second when I front for Chu village when I be president for Doma for na be lead this delegation for go town for governor's office for site for Bafosam. We go yet where governor for site for West Region our Fonka Augustine when one of the elite for Northwest Eco Talk. And then we could enter for chapter for Ndamba. How we team Lions that they make practice for site for Cote d'Ivoire. Say this so Lion don't be with hungry and they need chop for chop today. Sense today a toxicity. Sense today for sharp morning time a toxic chameleon he not get a war rope. But it change clothes na every minute. Chameleon he not get war rope, but it change clothes na any minute. Person we send for win a woman, Madame Berlin Decor. Berlin Decor, it is for site for Marché Congo, and na inside that site for Douala. And man picking where support them na so for Douala, they call and say Parche alias Park Cafe for site for Bonaberry, for site for Bonaberry. For General Express, now for the way Park Cafe, Idina, I don't support the sense today. Francois Ekonangmi Ndenge at the comeback, we enter the talk. Now, no. When you learn something you don't know, that means say your money don't enter for inside water. Yes, so we don't learn them and we don't know them. So now why that way would make them? When you want to teach some person, make concentrate for the way they do. Maybe enter now, and for enter in this you should don't quiet for a year and then see them. Now only for LTM if you take time, see them fine. Chapter 1, where to where we pass for government bilingual high school for site for Etokobe for inside Yaoundé. All these professors send a meeting. Now picking where they don't come to school, then come late. And they say that they way they ever check flag for up. I ask question when they say some day they way flag they be for down. And some day they when the flag is there for up. See only they picking them. Not that day for admission, no, not that day for exam. They say they saw something it vex these students them. They decide one time for push get a fall for down. But people for LTM never see get for down. They see get where stand for up. They say they saw some people that they get for punish them. Now anyway principal come school for that day early. School picking them, they say they saw principal not ever come early for school. I asked them say when they control principal, they say they saw they return at where they happen. Say they saw the principal and discipline master said they be sanctioned some student them and wait for them. They see say this so patcha it don't pack inside. Say now for the way tension is that the climb. Where they came for inside classroom and then they bring confusion. I say confusion where they bring two motor them. Motor where they don't take plenty money for take buy. I say it don't be easy. It don't start. It don't start. Now soon it don't start. See the way we stood bring motor for their principal. They bring man for this school when a woman. Time reach there, you see to the man now so it is check. They say something don't happen. When I see her, now student them broke motor for their principal. They say this one never correct. They still go for the other one. When I see him. And when they fulfill push so he fall on top for their brother. So he die. But you know for on top person no. See only proportion. And the last question when they say this one now only for seeker led way they don't come. I be sure say something there behind this matter. Students they not be vex this kind of vex because they don't lock them for upside. Now first time when they lock them for upside, why they not be enter for both place? Why only yesterday? Something they were behind for this school. To the man they ever told you true? Something they where they hide here. Where you go inside. You can find. If we know the see and we put spectacle, this thing not for nothing. When students that they shoot police them with stone. When I see am, stone they come all side. Even gendarme man wey dey for corner, he see die. Humbong, Ibang. The only thing we have talk from mommy and papa na say, me when I not live when I pikin for teacher, for training. When I start this train pikin na for house before I go reach for school. Because they say, mommy, they don't live now. The hour when they begin for work, they concentrate now only for money for pay them for teacher. Teacher, they cook chop for your pikin? No. Teacher, they control book them for your pikin for house? No. No, I don't talk. Janvier, put your cap. Enter for inside it. So use yourself with the first stone. No, now when I make enquete. Well, put your cap. Me, they don't know say you be Janvier man. A whole commandant. It is wrong stone. Well, these students are never vexed for no nothing. Something must they. And I dey beg authority them for insight Yaoundé. Say me we heap eye for this matter. Me we heap eye in a time this way. SDO, he come for talk for the population and for the student them. Now time this way he come. So it happen. Every day, they tell we say no person never die. Now the principal is. Now the principal for government bilingual high school for Tokebe na in that. Madam, what do you do for this speaking them? What do you do? And they ask you. Yes, and the English woman know where no man maybe there for talking the truth commodity for inside trouble. Now SDO that where they assure the population for Cameroon say that thing where the pass on social media say na lie. Say no pikin never wound and no pikin he never die. That's where they talk. So I ask this SDO say countryman, if na say pikin never die, they don't wound na wound. He say yes. I say oh yeah we go hospital. So that me camera take her they don't wound. Na way then jima then tonton after then slightly okra. It must take time for the office. Whether na people that they die, it go fair wait. When they die finish before they come. Normal. Minister when they look at school, now he began for be first person for inside that school yesterday. But we not heap eye for his skin. Sometimes today, but if we come today, it not be late. Me we see now part 2 time where don't bad they say number 1 for Central Region, Nasiri Pobia, Governor, USSF say get for camp. Now anyway. All big people and for inside Yaoundé, they will go turn up for get. They go turn up for get for Lycée Bilingue for Itokebe. When I see her? All them they go turn up for get. Yes. All kind commissioner, all kind colonel, all kind commandant. They be there for the yesterday. They say that zone for war. Well, now see the happen. Now time this way, governor. For Central Region, they come. Because you know, say LTM, they take the time for video them, take the time for show them, explain them the way you go see them, and you enjoy. Now, time this way they come. Now, it is, oh, dear my man. Now, my way before be due from Kambe. Now, see the poor beer after the transfer for Chang. Here come Chang. Come now for Duwala leg. SDO for Wuri. After, poor beer say this so it don't work fine. Now, end that with red tie. Oh, dear my man. Now when I get country now, only shine where the shine now picking for that side for a condo titi. Yes, now in this. Now see the pop and a man way, it don't bring peace for inside that side for the water. Time with the SDO for Wuri. Then see it work, they say they so come for Central Region, the governor. Correct, inside. Yes, go inside. Correct. Now time this way the enter. Now do more this for Lycée Bilingue for Tokebe. Now time this way the enter. Now anyway, big man na SDO it extend am for he. Yes. Now so they enter. Police motor camion a turn up for carry those way. They know they respect law for Cameroon. Now inside the school that. So they go see the thing the way they don't scatter them. Because I get for see them, so that me mop a talk, year a day on for year. Correct. First motor, now in that, where they don't check out all. Broke the windscreen. Broke even eye for the motor and a rough cut. This one a principal, you motor, where they don't broke them after they turn on one side. They say, Governor, you don't see him? You don't see him? You don't see work for picking them? You don't see him? If I say Governor, see him, he says, you don't see him, you don't pass it. You don't pass it. He said, now money this. If I say that this woman, a boyfriend, or he must have been buy the motor, that means he get for still buy another one again. Governor, the only talk you on say, those where they don't do this action, they go catch them and they go pay them. See, we scream. For another motor, now 2 motor they broke up. Social media, they talk say na 5. Another people they say na 10. But I for LTM see na 2. Now the 3 boy them that where they don't catch them, say their hand is there for inside this matter. Now them that. Now them that. They say their hand is there inside. I say, anyhow we did. They be student, they say no, now quarter boys. Governor, how you see this matter? Now the principal this. Explain them for Governor, how now SDO they explain them again. And where the thing don't happen for now time this way they carry that boy, they will go put her for camion, go put her for cellule. So that mean they talk what way make them come inside classroom, inside school, where they not be student. Yes. Yes. Governor they talk for that woman, say now this kind of thing when it happens so now that time where you get power. Yes. You get power. Sometimes they go move you the principal for here, send them like the delegate. So some disadvantage they come now with advantage. Well, I say can't police them today. Okay. Governor. Fine. Yes, worker go for side up there. I say they don't scatter all things for that side. Worker go side up. You see them? Hey! These people they chop money for Cameroon. Can't go along. Police and they only ready. When I don't catch them, yes. When I put up. Then they go now for side for office. For play where they don't scatter all things. Yes. Me we see now Kako. Where the student them, they don't spoil them for inside the school. Part 3. Yes. We don't reach for that now. Social media never show with this one. They say now only for 18 we'll see them. Now inside the school now where we want worker, look how they don't spoil Kako. Correct. Correct. Now school this way Cameroon government don't more plenty money. And mommy and papa too, they don't contribute for build the school. Now anyway picking they don't can scatter and all. When I begin to look over, they move plus ceiling. Move iron door, heave and go down. Blue bench, where they should not get on top. A job they chop where you don't take and throw them for ground, match and wear foot, and when they chop, where you chop up. How you go brook bench and when on top that bench you sit down. That means say, according to the tradition for Cameroon, you get for catch you. Will I see him? I say LTM go take all your time and make a me you understand. You see him. Yes. Because I for camera see him, I for Turiman see him, he mop and he blow him. Iron door, they don't come out and all through him. Yes. And for take technician, me come back all this thing for normal way. Now money again, and who go pay? They go start and say, the parents won't contribute, parents then go contribute money, so that me them fix the thing where they are picking them, they don't spoil them. Now so you go start. After you say 10,000. No, they don't add them again to 20,000. We will die only contribution. When I see only the way this one na only part 1, when I go see part 2, na do than this, look am enter. Now look am fine. They picking the way we get them. You born picking can't kill you again. You born picking can't TV you again. Ha! Born picking small time picking say no. I get for go the one confirm and form what with mommy will born me so that me I get money. All thing now for Cameroon. We'll see. I say na government bilingual high school for a Tokebe. Now in that. Yes. They scatter all thing when I never first see them. When I never first see them, it could reach for thee. This one we get for do how? If you need me we hear mommy on talk. Yeah, papa, he on talk. Yeah, student, he on talk. Before we hear principal, he on. Correct! For them now, when I look am, they don't scatter this store or this office when I document them for school and the one for student them. All information are for inside this room. For inside this office, when I go see them. LTM again. Take all your time. I say they scatter all chair. Scatter the table, move all the book and throw them all sides. Oh, they will find them money. Man, no. Because when something will happen, so the people them they enter inside. When I see them, now the office this one now office for archives. Where the book can sakache all thing. This kind of picking and they don't take na tramadol, or they don't take nanku. Now when I go tell me, other people they say na cocaine. So one say na stone, alias caillou. Ain't that? When I say when I born, when I go born down for Cameroon, with the born picking and they say we want to go na agri show with them. And when you born picking plenty, because you compare with your neighbor. Sometimes your neighbor is born and so because you take care with them. You go born your own way, you be poor man. How picking and not go be delinquent. Correct! Where? Plane number CE 830. They say na time. This man, you motor now in this way don't broke up. You come out with motor fine. You come with them, and then after you go back now for garage. Or you take the taxi. So tell the boss the tire. If the thousand man over die, that means a person don't wound. But at the beg minister say, me carry camera, me will go for hospital. So that we go see, because for Cameroon we be Thomas. We get for see before we believe. Live and countryman. Yes. Me we ask now number one for Central Region. Nasiri Paul Biya, governor. Now you be Oga. They say people they don't die for this place. Wait, you get for talk. We'll hear you.
I think the level of unpatriotic acts continues, because we have here a situation where there was this hosting of the flag, which happens once a week, and on that occasion students who came late decided to act otherwise. And we want to think that these unpatriotic acts should be condemned, and rightly too. And we think that parents should educate their children on the necessity. If you can come to school late any other day, they should not be on the day that they are hoisting the flag. And so we want to think that the parents have abdicated, they have abandoned their role as parents to teach these young Cameroonians the necessity to respect the national emblem. And we have visited the school and seen a lot of damages caused. And we have asked that more stringent security measures be taken for now, to be able to be sure that only students who want to study and who want to come to school should come, and that those who are not prepared to come and learn should stay at home. Secondly, that we are going to carry out, notwithstanding the judicial inquiries, administrative inquiries, so that those who are responsible, whether they are students or not, will be able to pay and be able to be penalized or punished as stipulated by the law. So we are calling on those who want to come to school that measures have been taken for schools to start normally tomorrow, because police, the gendarmerie are going to be there to be sure that everybody is studies in a very secure manner, that it will be beneficiary to the Cameroon youth of tomorrow.
Monsieur le gouverneur,
dans tous ces médias, il n'y a pas de morts, il y a seulement des blessés et toutes leurs vies ne sont pas en danger. Donc, il n'y a pas eu de mort.
see how it go, we go find way. But if we not see him, we go for another one. Yes, now time this way, it will get for go. Now time this way, it talk for now do this. The other one now SDO. So now go where they get for go and it talk bye-bye for that woman when the principal say me take heart. That's so it ever happen. So for life, you get for make losses. Yes, so it don't make losses for motor. We need not say this, so me, government begin to find another one. Yes. So it talks to this, so you skin this some kind way, it fear you. It fear say if we can burn you for inside the school. Now anyway, governor talks to no police today. Say police and gendarme the day. Oh my man for Sape Pompe von Godi, he don't come now, they don't transfer for Yaoundé. That man will laugh. Now yes, countryman. He don't come for this site now. That means the all thing in the worker. Another one, we get for she don't see how they go because now so LTM they work. Governor, go enter inside your motor, you go no? Go enter inside your motor, you go. What? I say enter inside motor, that boy then we come again. Kind commissioner, 6 star, 5 star, 4 star, correct. Oh, Nasiri got wrong. Got wrong. Correct. Now time this way he go. He don't go because he don't get instruction like number 1 for Center Region. So now go where he go. He go for his office. Yes, now entrance that. Now the signboard that Lycée Etogobe Government Bilingual High School for Etogobe. Yes. Carry governor go quick. Governor no get for stay for outside so 1 hour, 2 hours. Now for Cameroon we do that time this way they go. Ping pong, we don't solve the problem. That get this so they don't broke them for down. They say no. Cameroon. We go never side for football for go see their own market. They don't take grandstand. Where government don't fix them. Yes. No, me will leave that accident now tomorrow. We go for side for football. Football people them non-talk say they so their market na here. Green, red, yellow. We start for middle where the show say peace work for the land, but when I don't carry and they bring that disorder. How when I go take a whole grandstand, transform am for market? Now grandstand for football. Where did they march 11 February day? March Women's Day, with 8 March. March Labor Day, March 20th May, only for this place. Anyway, they ask them. When they want march, they could do how? They say no, they come all the Bine Kako, they make market different side. When Gando don't finish, then come with them. I asked and said that they pay ticket for who? No man, no they talk. That means it shows sometime, now some man don't organize. And then call people that they say, yeah, they pay the money, and they put them for your pocket. Because it be possible for Cameroon. But normal, any place where it carry green, red, yellow, they not be good for to sell anything for them because it tarnish the image for the place. And we not be normal. It not be normal. I say na for side for Fumboro. We talk say so. Me country people and what they say for grandstand me then talk. They say gang. If they talk, that means say na confusion go come out. Say confusion go come out. So we beg the mayor and the parliamentarian say me they try for B market for Fumbot. Me people then go for side for market. It not fine for sell for grandstand. Enough fine for sale for grandstand. So for Fumbot, me we see now countryman. We come up for side for Dongam and for Kambe. For village, where they call say Kungi, they call say Mr. Thomas. They say any side where man picking the woman in mode for corner. So they don't join the talk say so they could make thing where they can say this thing they will see them. And now here where they carry water, now they where they start the farmer. So this man gets on talent. I say they so don't work this work for more than 20 years. And now we didn't work where they take them, they help Cameroonians and they. As when I see them, they don't put them inside the box them. When they move them, it form a different thing. Now anyway, they make all the thing, mix them, mix the cement. And then come turn the cement, put them so. Now they form them that. When you want to be your eyes, you carry and so, you stand them. Maybe the pillar, it change the face for your house. When I see them, so they think them plenty, and this countryman they talk to them so he don't make them from Kambe, make them for Fumbot, make them for Fumban, make them for Baminda, make them for Kumba, make them for Bavosam. So now it don't come now, it can be now for side for Fumbot, and it is called Any picking where it don't run gone for Northwest and Southwest, say me can learn this work. Say me can learn this work because this work it help be plenty. So he want to say this, so me help another picking. So that tomorrow that picking to go help another one. So that another one too it go help another one. So this man it pass the time only for this place. I don't talk say any side where man picking day, woman in more day. So this work the work you want, woman too in the work. Yes, because woman it get for work too with for your husband for say me then go before. Now in that Mr. Thomas and Mr. and Madam Thomas that. So now the place that now them know the quarter, how they call the quarter. So they talk say this, so if you still get picking for house, we not get something where they do. Me you bring them for you, me learn you work. For free of charge. Yes. You go only buy now only your material where they are picking go take the land work. He said now free of charge. So now some good Samaritan where we get for encourage you for way to way in the do. Yes, we get for encourage this countryman where come up for that side from Cambe. Say me go on with the work, but he talks to this so if now God will ask ye, the other one them not benefit with eh? Say me they send picking them, me then can benefit for this talent. They work with it be learn them. So you say you get for teach another picking so that me Cameroon it go now before. And see to those way they don't run now war for Northwest and Southwest. It make all kind one. Me we ask them now, countryman. This work you don't make them for how many years? Me you talk me with year because plenty people then they want for year talk where you talk. Oh yeah.
Hello, General MOKO. This is a thing where they ever be house with them. If they ever make house is fine. If you say you be house, we not put all the things in, your house nothing ever can find. So for year where we day na fumbot, they call the place say Carrefour Makiza. Any person where they whether na for side, if you want buy anything, they can buy for Carrefour Makiza. And so one day for Fumban, so one day for Bamenda. If you say you see me, that means say you don't see all person. I get what people picking them. I get almost 7 of them for here. But today they're not there because today we been on Sunday. They don't go church. Yes, I'll be available. My number there. Any person who want can learn work, make them. I help people them for here. I don't help people them for Ndu, Gambe, Southwest. All with the work with them. Even Bamon people them. People they suffer, they can't see me and they where they work. Even university people then they ever come for here, make stage for here. Bamenda, that's why they talk now. So people they know me outside for Bamenda. Where they come out for they can learn, they can make stage for here. They come out from Ban, can make stage for here. They come out Bafsan, can make them for here too. I don't make 10 years for Fumbot. The business is the worker. For business the worker for here fine. I don't make 20 years for inside the my work. Yes, they work the game. So I like the work because I like the thing what they do. I be proud for the thing what they do. I like her.
Like woman, they ever talk say anything where man they do, woman can do it better. So as I enter, I see how my husband they work. So I just like the work. Me too, I the work with he for the workplace. No, by the grace of God. Now God they give me the power for work the thing. I know if he talk say I the work now by my own power. Now God they give me the strength for work. I they encourage my fellow woman then say anything where you see am for the way. Me no fear na fear. Me just have the faith. Now only faith the make am before you feel work anything where you see am for ya. I they give my call. I know if he talk say 100% because man no dey 100%. Yeah, I they talk for them say me they come me person just can't see am. Me they just can't see am with their own eye. Because they think they with the make them fine, with the give plenty cement them for inside. Me they just can't see them. See the place for Carrefour Makiza for Fumbot.
I don't buy all my material. I don't buy them now for Mr. Tom a place for Carrefour Makiza because the material then they find where arranged. So now for the way I don't buy all my material. No, it be fine. It be fine when you buy material. Then when you put them for us, it take form.
Now, no, me I they talk again. Now, so one person that way it confirm. So me we leave that one now. We so remain for site for Fumbot. What to be happen now? This fund them for site for Donga and Mantum division where they be come out. They say they get for hold their executive meeting for site for Fumbot. So they say they so for phone board they na inside noon and person we na oga kwata for that side na the governor for West Region na he self a day oga we na our Fonka Augustine and na one of the elite for side for Northwest. So this fund them they come up for Donga Mantum Division where they will create their union say they so fund them they be separate so they don't join themselves now for the solve that problem. Now for governor's office where the last they go enter. Person where they lead this delegation now fund Jofo Maurice the second where na fund for Chu Village now in that where it is salute person now the fund for Chu Village where it elite and now he be president for the union Dumafo now where they go for governor's office for go talk with the governor as we never see yesterday time where they finish talk with governor too he will get talk for country people them concerning this visit because you know if you go for money land where you never pass there say they so they go for your land so we don't come for can inform you so they will go all the fund them fund for side for Chu Village when the president be there fund for Njap every day fund for what every day